This is another trapezoid. The issue is we don't have the height, but we do have a 60-degree angle. So we can use the ratios in our 30, 60, 90. They are t, and between the 30 and the 90 is the t root 3, and the hypotenuse is 2t. So what we're after here is the height. This is the height. 2t then is 14 root 2. And if we divide both sides by 2, we see that t is 7 root 2. Now the height is t root 3. T root 3. This is our t, which is 7 root 2. So the height ends up being 7 root 6. And we learned earlier that the formula for the area of a trapezoid is the average of the bases times the height. And the bases are the parallel sides. So this is a base, and this is a base. So we average those, add them up, and divide by 2, times the height, which we just found is 7 root 6. 6 root 7 and 8 root 7 make 14 root 7. So this would be 7 root 7 times 7 root 6, which is 49 root 42. Now, we always look at what's under the root and ask ourselves, can that possibly be simplified? 42 is 6 times 7, and 6 is 2 times 3. If we break a number down into its prime factors, the numbers that multiply to 42 that are all prime numbers, we can see there's no perfect squares in there. So our answer then is 49 root 42. And our label is meters squared.